If you're looking for a legal way to watch live TV without paying for cable, Plex Live TV is one of the best free options available in 2026. It gives you access to hundreds of live streaming channels covering news, movies, sports, entertainment, kids programming, and much more, all without a subscription. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start watching free live TV with Plex. Let's get started. The first step is to create a free Plex account. Visit the Plex website, sign up with your email address, and verify your account. You don't need a Plex Pass or any special hardware to watch Plex's free live TV channels. Everything is streamed directly over the internet. Next, open Plex on your favorite device. Plex is available on web browsers, smart TVs, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Android TV, Google TV, Android phones, iPhones, game consoles, and many other supported devices. Simply sign in with your account to access the platform. Once you're inside, select the Live TV section. Here you'll find hundreds of free channels organized by category. You can browse news, movies, TV shows, sports, documentaries, cooking, music, kids content, lifestyle programming, and international channels. The exact lineup may vary depending on your country. Using the channel guide is easy. Just scroll through the guide to see what's currently playing or what's coming up next. You can also mark your favorite channels so they're easier to find every time you open Plex. Besides live TV, Plex also offers thousands of free on-demand movies and TV shows. This means you can switch between live channels and on-demand entertainment without leaving the app, making Plex one of the most complete free streaming platforms available today. Keep in mind that the free channels are supported by advertisements. You'll see occasional commercial breaks during playback, but there are no monthly fees or subscriptions required to access the service. It's also important to understand the difference between Plex Live TV and Plex Live TV and DVR. The free live TV service only requires a Plex account. However, if you want to watch and record local over-the-air channels using an antenna, you'll need a compatible TV tuner and a Plex Pass subscription. These are two separate features. So, is Plex Live TV worth using in 2026? If you want a free, legal, and easy way to watch hundreds of live channels across multiple devices, the answer is definitely yes. Combined with its large library of free on-demand content, Plex remains one of the best free streaming services available. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite free live TV service.